Hi friends. In this video, I would be trying to create IRCTC algorithm. I think most of the people would know about it. That I'll just try to explain it in this. What was this? I don't remember. Okay. So what it is that imagine there is a seat here. Okay, in a train. Okay, and there are seats here. So what this algorithm does is it doesn't it assigns the seats for male and females, okay, in such a way that no male and female is facing towards you, towards each other, okay. So it watches for this, that no male and female face each other in front of them, okay. So the algorithm works like this. I think I also need to search about it. uh, Algorithm, what does it do? I want to know. jQuery, Sonata. Cool. Okay, let's get back to our. So I just have this information that this algorithm doesn't allow a male and a female to face each other. Let me check for my live chats, because I think there's a lot of bugs in YouTube application on the Android. Uh, Finally, actually not able to view that video of mine. YouTube application is just messed up. So YouTube, if you have any, if you can see my video, you must understand that the YouTube application is messed. Not able to click. So it's so irritating. It happens again and again. Why, I don't know. Finally, I'm able to view. Hi bro, Anmol, how are you? Finally, I'm able to see your chats. Yo, what are you doing? Bro, I'm trying to create an algorithm, that IRCTC algorithm, which uses this, which takes care of the sitting arrangement of the passengers. Like no male and female sits face each other. Okay, so I'll try to create. What I'll do is I'll input number of males and number of females in the train. Okay, that are traveling, and then I'll be having a rough container in which there would be different seats. For example, like this. Okay, every like bogie, and then what I'll do, I'll try to arrange this males and females inside this container, uh, that no female and male faces each other. So I'm trying to create this algorithm. I don't know what I should use, either Python or JavaScript. If I use JavaScript, it will be easy for me to visualize it. Like I can draw components on the browser so that people can view it. Should I use JavaScript or Python? I think Python, because a lot of people will be able to use it directly. They just need my source code. That's it. So let's try to create it. I have my live on my smartphone. Okay. So let's try to do it. First of all, I'll need to. Okay. Should decrease my bass and treble is already very low. Magic is. Are you able to hear my voice now? How is my voice? Check, check. I'll create a new folder. Okay, my voice can sound weird now because I have done a stupid thing. Nice, it's gone. Okay, let's use Python. New.py as usual. Then let's create a terminal and just Python new.py. Nice. So what I'm gonna do? First of all, I need to understand that a bogie has how many seats? Uh, Bogie. Ye- it was auto to. Oh my god, my video is on. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not what I wanted. Not cabinet. Train diagram. Seat. Train seat. Yeah. This is what I wanted. What I can use this, isn't I? Yeah. Yeah. I think I should use this now. Okay. So this is a diagram of a train. So a train has 71 seats in it. Oh my god. I think this train is a little big. Is big. Is quite big. This is the right grammar, I think. So I think I should I use this or oh, so different class has different diagrams or what? Okay, so EC has a little less seats as compared to my god, this website is good. If you want to view this website, I can share this in comment section afterwards. Okay, it's using PHP. I don't want to do that, but I came to know that sleeper. So what I'll do is I'll create that algorithm for this. Okay, so for 71 seats. Okay, 71 seats. So Bogie has 71 seats. Okay. Hmm. Then what I need to do if I have, for example, X males and X males and Y females. So what I need to do is I need to adjust this X and Y into this 71 seats, and I don't want uh, for them to face each other. So I have to adjust in this way. Let's try to. First of all, I'll just turn on the fan. Just a second. Charging. Charging wires in front of me. Yeah. So I'm also using the mouse. Not using it. I'll disable the touchpad and use the mouse. Nice. Now I'm able to easily. Okay. Now the fan is on. Laptop will not heat now. Let's go. So how I'm going to do it? Is there any way to do it? So I need to find out the number of seats. Okay. So this 1, 4, 9, 12, 17. This kind of seats. Okay. 1, 9. I think I should probably take this diagram out of this. Okay. And paste it here so that I can draw on it, baby. Draw on it. Oh my god. It is a little bigger. Okay. Where is the what color I should choose? Is yeah, this color. I think I should use red color. Do you have red color, baby? Do you have red color? I think this is red color. No, it's orange. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will be visible, I think. So it also has the what blueprint or what we say watermark. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to mark 1, 9, 17, 25, 33, and I hope, no, I can't hope. I think this intervals are, this is an AP, isn't it? AP means that it has equal interval. Oh, so what are the numbers? 1, 9, 17, 25. 1, 9, 17, and 25. Okay. So what's the difference between these two numbers? These numbers. So what I'll do is open a Python shell here. What I'll do is it has difference of 8. No? Difference of 7, I guess. Oh, not 1 minus 9. 1 minus. It's a difference of 8. This also has a difference of 8. Okay. Okay. So we have a difference of 8. Okay, I'm just learning. I'm not here to show you. I'm trying to create this algorithm by myself. So this all numbers have difference of 8. So if I start by 1, start by 2, and start by 3. Okay. This is an information that we need to remember. We might need it in future. Okay. And this either I can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay. So I can send some sense and pattern. If I start from 4, I'll move to 12. So what's the difference? 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Yeah. So either I can start from these numbers. Okay. And when I'm trying to fill, how I'm going to fill? I have two things, male and females. Okay. And if I try to fill it here, what I want is everything I need to do is to manipulate with these numbers. Okay. So I'll just write it in a better way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Whatever I need to do it here. So if there is, because rest everything is into plus 8. 1 plus 8 is this. So whatever will be condition here, if the same condition will apply here, I just have to add an 8, and for this I just have to add 2 into it. Yes. So the formula is 1 for the first I just have 1, then for the next I had 1 plus 8, 1 plus 1 into 8, then I have 1 plus 2 into 8. Okay, I have this formula. Then I have 1 plus 3 into 8. So what's this? 1 plus 3 into 8. What's the output? 25. So 1, 1, 2, and 3. So here is the 25. Here is 25. Okay. So this is, I'm trying to understand something about this. Okay, let's go. So if there is a male or a female, I don't think I should use permutation for this, or I can use permutation for this. You know what else I can do is I can directly ask ChatGPT to create that algorithm. It would be, it might be easy. I don't know. We'll try to do it in the future, but it's okay. I'll do it now by myself. Okay. So what I'll do is male and female. Okay. So if there is a male here, there need to be. Oh no, I was trying to do the opposite by mistakenly, but it's okay. There should be a male here. Okay. Okay. And what about the adjacent side? Do IRCTC allow adjacent? Increment together? Oh my god, this is not. What is side seat rule in railway? Side lower passenger has confirmed ticket and not RSA. As per the railway rules, side upper. This are all. Application for compensation for loss, etc. of goods. An application for compensation for loss. No, I don't. I'm not interested. Ensure that no young man, woman sit together on train. Together means what? In front or sidewise? How is this possible? Not because if this there is the main, then how? There should be a female in a bogie, isn't it? I think face to face is allowed. How can this be possible, man? That this is so dangerous. Next to you, I think the algorithm is for sideways. Is it so? Together means if there is a male here, no females are not allowed here. Then I think it's easy to create this algorithm. So what about this? So this whole, if any males come in one seat, then whole row is assigned to males only or what? I don't know. Should I read it? Most of the Indian people aren't aware of Indian reservation system. Well, it's similar to booking movie ticket in a theater. In the Indian rail, oh my god, what is this? This diagram is so weird. By it is strict algorithm to follow while allocating. What? Train tickets to passenger. There are many logical conditions which will be verified before allocating berth to someone. Let's see how. Okay. Total number of seats in Indian train. Okay, so not only one bogie, the whole train is considered while. Indian Railway has some strict rule to allocate seats for female gender. The top rule in the list is female gender will not be allocated seat in a group of men allocated, and also two same age group with opposite gender will never be assigned with the same. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Two same age group with opposite gender will never be assigned with the same compartment. Okay, so I'll keep my drawings here. Okay, so the first rule says that if there is a group of men, okay, there is a group of men, okay, for example, like this, and this is the compartment seat, seat, and seat. And there is a man, so no female should be allocated here. So this seat is not for a female, okay, and nor this, I think, because and okay, so this is the first case, and the second case is that female, same, what was that, same age group like 21 male and 21 female will not be allowed within the same compartment itself. You will to understand what does this means. It means a bogie has various many compartments in it. Okay, compartment 1, then compartment 2, compartment 3. Okay, so this is an bogie. So if an 21 male is sitting here and another 21 female, a 21 female cannot sit here. She is not allowed here. She has to sit either here or either here. This is such a dangerous situation. What if all the compartments have a 21 male? So what the algorithm, I think, will do is to shift these males into this compartment, isn't it? Noise. This algorithm is tough to create. I don't know if this algorithm is managed by a human. This work is managed by a human or an AI or an algorithm itself. Okay, so now I know the algorithm. What's the algorithm? What the algorithm do? Female gender births are always lower or upper. Other cases, they will get any berth on the train if they are traveling in a group ticket or family members. Okay. There is an exception case for group tickets. Okay. Always lower or upper. Oh, okay. I also got another rule that females can only have lower or upper. They cannot have middle. Okay. They don't have middle. Nice. Seat allotment for single female above 45 years old. For ladies is most strict part in railway reservation. They always prefer women's safety first, as known. This is good. 2 lower berths are allocated for women in each sleeper, and who are above 45 female persons are to be allotted with almost lower berths only. Okay, so because they cannot, climb that stairs. Okay. Case 1. If any female gender booking a ticket with above 41 to get it. Okay. If 2 women waiting ticket lists are confirmed and have only 1 lower berth on the train, then the rule engine will check their age and gender. If they are same in gender, they will. Yeah. How can a woman have different gender, bro? Same in gender, then it will compare age and allocate lower berth to the elder one. Okay. Should I add this condition in my algorithm? Ooh, young couples. Nice. This interests me. Indian Railways will always prefer to assign the same coach for couples. If there are no available in the same coach, then at least it prefers to give nearby coaches. Okay. If couple booking a reservation ticket, then the system will check first their age and gender. If both are the having, both are having the English is a little messed. Both are having the same age and opposite gender, then it will look for couple reflection. What is this? If both are married, relation, then it will look for couple relation. Okay. If both are married, then it will check first priority as two side to side middle births. If it is not available next, it will check for side lower, side upper, or etc. At worst case, couple seat will be allocated in different coaches. This doesn't make made any sense, but only it's okay. It at least gave me some information. But to apply this, it's groupism. I'll not allow groupism. My algorithm will be simple. It will just what my algorithm will do is to it will be simple. It will just uh, allot seats to this two types of genders. It is clear that always group booking. Oh, this is cool. If you're booking a seat in sleeper coach and your preference is for upper berth, rules engine will check your age and gender first. Then it will check your berth preference. If there are any upper berth availability, it will be allocated to you. Otherwise, it will check for a middle berth, side upper. Okay, so for females, it's this. Females have priority for lower and upper berth, and males have priority for middle. Okay. Oh my god. So what? This male will be lucky if male and female happens. But I don't think the algorithm will make it happen. By doing some calculation, let's find out what's the algorithm. So I think there's another rule that if the quantity of males is greater than female, then the female will not get that seat. What if there's this condition? All the coaches are full, and this condition has occurred. What will the algorithm do? They will change sheets of all this females or what? The algorithm is weird and has a lot of conditions. What if you get the female co-traveler everything during your journey? Oh, now I get it. What it means. Power of 10 raised to minus 6. So what's it? Zero point zero. So I think this number is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the probability. Not 6. 1, 0. This is the probability of you getting a female co-passenger. Oh my god. This algorithm is, at least at these, in this, after reading that article, I'm able to understand how it works. Now, what I have to do is just to understand it, and I have to create a system, and I'll not consider groups. Okay, I'll consider all the passengers are single, unmarried. After, yeah, single and unmarried. In this video, we will create this algorithm. Single, all the passengers are single and unmarried. So I think it would be easy that for first condition that first of all, what I'll do is I'll assign the seats like male, female, male, female, male, and female. So here, okay, it's equal. What's the number here? 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. Male and female. So there are equal number of males and equal number of females. I can do this, isn't it? 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 I can do this, isn't it? This is kind of easy. But, there's a big but in between these things. That if there should be at least, if I consider safety, I don't know how this algorithm starts its creation. Its creation. Its creation. Okay, I think okay, so we have 71 seats, okay. No, not 71. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 30. After scrolling, I forgot. Okay. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 54. So we have 54 seats, okay. On the left side, I'm talking about the left side. I'm not talking about the right side. I'm talking about the. What I'll do is, no, I think these seats are for the person with RAC, not CNF confirmed. So those people who have not confirmed their seats. The seats are not confirmed. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have 54 seats in our hand. And the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What's the preference of a male? Male takes these seats, okay, this one. It's preferred that males take this seat and females take this seat. Either this or either this, lower or upper. It was written on that website. This condition. Okay. So if we have, for example, we have 54, we have 15 males in our bogey, and we have 10 females. So now I need my algorithm to assign this into this thing. Okay. How I will create this this algorithm is, first males will be assigned the middle seat. First of all, what data structure can I create for this? I need a data structure. I cannot use can I use a matrix? 0 means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I can use a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can use a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I can use a 3 by 18 matrix for the data structure. So we have the left side, its matrix is 3. So like 1, 2, 3. No. I'll use in string. Okay. 3 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this will be my matrix for left side. Okay. what I will be passing to the function is algo. I'll pass the matrix, number of males and number of females. So matrix. The matrix has two sides, one left and one matrix. Mat1 and mat2. Okay. I think this will be my data structure that I would be using. So what I'll do is possibly assign all the males in the middle. It has, what is the dimension of this matrix? That 3 by 18. So what I'll do is I'll assign all the males in the middle first. This is my first preference. How many numbers of male do we have? We have, where I've written it, 15 males and 10 females. So let's take number of males and females. Males are 15 and females are 10. Okay. So we have this, and we have the bogey, the left side of the bogey. We have the bogey and we have the number. For now, I'll not consider this. So what now? I just have to loop to this number, and I have to assign it to here, to this. Okay. Then yes, what I can do is assign the seats to the male passenger first, and then wherever there are less number of males, I'll assign females. Okay. Like for example, males will go here, and then after that, they will be here because this it's then female passengers will not be able to get the window seats. It will be inequality. So I think this should be random then. A male will go here and here and here and then here, like this. Male will go here and then here. So it will be even and odd. For even, male will go here, male will go here. So this would not be an. Then a female can come in between a lot of males, a group of males. I don't think it's better. And it's not also good as females. This is really hard. It's okay. We are talking about safety, so I think males will go here. So first males can fill here. Males fills this seats, the middle seats, and then they fill. Come on, fill. What are you pronouncing, bro? Fills. Fills, not. It's not fill. Fill. What the hell is this? Fields. What?
Fills.
Fills. Fills. Fills. Fills. So it's in Z. 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 Fills. Fills. Spelling is S, but the letter is S, but I have to pronounce it as Z. Fills. 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 Feels and fills. The seats fills faster. There's no word as fills. Okay. My bad. Oh.
Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. I'll drink some water and come. Just spare me 5 minutes. Not 5, 2. Yo, I'm back. So let's continue with our algorithm. Okay. Should I also add uh, age for all the males and females? Well, drinking water, I thought, but because people with less age uh, will have the probability of getting the upper berths, upper seats, because it will, they can climb the steps, and people with more age, more than 40 or 35, will get. We can do it afterwards. First, let's just do this thing. So I'll have a function to print this display, and it will take the math. Also, it will have x will be, what will be x? No, I'll use n is equal to length of this matrix. Length of this matrix. Really? And m will be length of not n but number of rows and number of columns. Then I'll loop for x in so why do I need this? I think I don't need this. That's why Python is so dangerous, isn't it? I'll print the I'll print y width and space. Okay, so it looks good. And then I don't need an ending. Okay, so end will be empty. And then after this, after printing this, I'll print and slash in. Print and slash in, and end will be. No, I'll just can do this. So let's first try this function. I can close it. Let me check if this will work. Okay, so it's printing something. I think I should not run this, but I should run on this CLS and Python new.py. So it's printing like this. Also, I think I should print this thing. So it okay, not like this. Okay, I don't think I'm doing it right. After printing this and this, I want to print this. It's printing and then I'm printing this. I don't want it. I want to print this after this works for 2 times. So what can I do? Can use by this code. I think I'm able to do it. Okay, so I'm now able to print this. Good. Yeah, now I have a good separation. And also add this here. Nice. I'll add some distance between these. Okay, I think this is enough. Enough, Leo. Come on, enough. This is enough. I'm so into perfection. Yeah, now this is extremely. That's it. Not more than this, okay? Okay. Now what our algorithm will do is to add all the males in this section first. Okay? In this section. Then it will, if this section is full, it will add males in this section. Okay? And what if this section is also full? Like if like if there is a lot of, what if they don't consider one bogie na, they consider the uh, whole train and assign passengers, and also groups are there, not only females and males. group Group is also in priority in that situation of train. What should I do now? What should I do now? Anmol, are you there? No, you are not. Okay, let's just, what I'll do is I'll, index will be one, a loop on, I don't need this. Okay, and not this in mat, not just this. I just want the males to get over. And print. At the end, I'll try to print the number of males. So I'll not use this. I'll use while male is greater than 0. Okay. What if I increase the number of males? For example, what if I increase the number of males to 25? 7 males are still there. So what I'll do is, after assigning males this seat, I'll assign them randomly this, this, this. I'll assign them randomly these seats, or I should do go with this whole, and females can sit here. No, no, man. Group plays an important role in this assignment. So what should I do now? This is so weird, bro. Like, what the best thing I can do is I can assign all the males in this section. After males get over, I can start assigning females. So there will not be any male and female interaction now. It's so easy to do, isn't it? Now what should I do now? Group plays an important role. Group. For example, there's a group of two males. So group one, group two. So I can assign the groups anyhow. Group groups plays an important role. Because one compartment has only six, eight seats. What if there are groups of three? Hmm. Should I add group now? Like only male and female. This information is not so much practical and useful. So what I can do is I can rather than these two numbers, I have to create groups. I have to create groups now. Oh my god, this is so. Okay. So how I'll classify the group is I'll name it data. So every data will have an object in which there will be an ID like one, and it will have an array. No. How can I group them? If this was JavaScript, it would be different, but it is not in JavaScript. No, I don't think I should use it now. It's an array of objects. So there will be ID 1, and then number of males, for example 2, and number of females, for example 1. 2 males and female. So can I use this kind of data structure now? I have to check. Okay. So how can I define an object in Python? How to create objects in Python? I've forgotten that. Do I have to add this key and value? Yeah. So I have to add this key and value pairs. This is weird. Now this will be a little tough. Example, there will be 5 groups traveling in our. We'll have one father and a daughter and a mother. Group 3 will have 0 males but 4 females. Group 4 will have 3 males and 0 females. Let's add another group in which there are 1 male and 1 female. So this will be couple. This will be a couple. Okay. So now I have to assign this data into this matrix. Okay. And I have to consider this now. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. I have to consider this now. So this is now a little bit more difficult. So rather than using in this, I can normally without using this, I can normally use and what do you say? An array rather than an object, because I just need So I can represent that data like this, so it's more easy. And I also don't need this. It's weird now how I'm simplifying this, not simplifying, but making it uh, more readable, or less readable and more complex. Okay, doesn't matter. But are you able to understand like what I'm trying to say from here? That group one has two males and one female, one male, two female, zero males, four female, three males, zero female, one male, one female. Okay. So now I'm using this data of ticket booking. I need to assign this data into this matrix such a way that in such a way that there is unknown group female doesn't sit in front of a known, like how I will assign this is that there are two groups. For example, group one which has two males and three females, and group two has four males and zero females. Okay, so I don't want this female to sit in front of this male. Okay, like this. So I don't want this condition to happen. So what I'll be doing, I have to think. For example, we have two compartments. These are the two compartments with two and three seats. We have two seats here. We have another seat, three seats. Okay. So how many people? 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. 9 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. 16 seats. 9 people. Okay. So as this is a group, okay, with two males and three females. What I can do is I can adjust males here. Group 1. I'm talking about group 1. I'll change the color. Male, male, female, female, and female. Okay. Yes. And now I have group 2, which doesn't have any female. But what will we do is we'll change the condition to a little bit. This has two females. Okay. So what I can do is this has two females. So this is group 2 now. I'm talking about group 2. So this will be female. And these seats are for reservation. So I'll not consider that. These people, these groups have confirmed seats. And this female, male, two females and four males, I guess. Yeah. So this is how I want the seats to be. This is how I want my seats to be. Seats to be allocated in this way. Or what can I do other way around is what I can do is let me check, let me guess, let me check, let me guess, let me guess, let me guess, let me guess, let me guess this. What I can do is I can if I talk about group 1, I can start assigning. So this has seat number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll ignore 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So I'll start assigning male, male. Okay. So what's there? Male, male, and three females. Female, female, and female. Okay. Like this, I will assign. And if I talk about this seat, group 1 is over, and I have to talk about the group 2. So first I'll be picking the males. Okay. I will be picking the males. So what I'll do is I'll keep in mind that I cannot keep this in mind. I cannot keep this in mind. So I now have a male in my hand, a male. So what I can do is if there is a female in front of him, if there is a female in front of him, this I'm picking this male, I'll just choose and I'll start assigning females now. Okay, so this I'm talking about group 2. So this will be female. These are reserved seats. So I think I should not consider this. Female, female, then male, 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 and male. This is how I can do it. But this is so wrong that and female is left behind. Like she belongs to this group, but she got this. What should I do now? It's okay. What I can do is I can check if if a group has more than what I, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 more than more than 3 members, no, not 3, more than 4 members. Like if a group have greater than or equal to 4 members, they will get their own cabin, compartment. I'm sorry, compartment. They will get their own compartment if the group has more than or equal to 4 members. So they'll get their own compartment. Okay. But this will be a little partial, isn't it? There will be a partiality. Then the groups will not be equally distributed, isn't it? Oh my god, what should I do? Because there will be empty spaces. You know, in operating system, I was having an algorithm: best fit, worst fit, and medium. Or I don't know, I don't remember this one, but best fit and worst fit. So this will have a lot of, this will be worst fit, isn't it? Not algorithm I can use now. And they will occupy. They can adjust, isn't it? They can send a person who is sitting here, and she can come here. I should not care about that. So I should go. I should go like this only. Every seat has opposite of it. For example, this number 3 seat. What's the opposite of this seat? 1 2 3. Number 4. I'm sorry. Number 4 has opposite 1. Number 5 will have opposite 2. This will be this. Okay. So what's minus 4 minus what? 3. The difference is of 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So if I do minus 3 by any seat, I'll get the front. I'll get the data of what's in front of it. So if I come here, if I'm here and I do what is this? For example, this is seat number anything like 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 plus 6 6 plus 8 20 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 8 it was 14. So 14 minus 3 11. Is it 11? Let me check. Yeah, it's 11. So by doing minus 3, I can get what's in front of it. And by adding 3, I can get what's in front of 11. Okay. So I found a formula. So it's not a formula, bro. What I'm fed up. I think I'm bored now. It's okay. I'll try to complete this algorithm a little bit, not too much. I hope I'm live. Yes, I am. Okay. X minus 3 will get the who's sitting in front of it. Male. Okay. If I have this now, it's not slash the data. I will just have to change this now. I'll have an index. It will be either it will be storing it will store 0 or 1. For currently it will be 0 for pointing towards this first column. Okay. And I'll loop over this matrix. Okay. By looping over it, what I'll do is I'll fill horizontally. I'll also need this will be choice, and I'll also need an index which will be starting from 0. So I need for 0, 1, 2, and 3. Not 3, bro. In row. For seat in row. Okay. Actually, I don't need this. Or I need it. I need to keep the count, isn't it? Also do. I'll do this, and what else I can do is just go here, fill it, start filling it. We'll do is s is equal to data of choice. Okay, and I'll add one. Okay. So I think I should get if my data is like this. Let's see for this data. See what we get for this data. Oh, why am I getting? I'm only filling this part. Okay. Only filling this part. So I should get something like I got nothing. Why? I want to change, bro. I'm not able to change. I cannot change modify matrix or what? Ouch! Okay. What happened? Okay, what happened to this now? Oh, actually, I want this to happen. Okay, we have two different matrices now, data and matrix. Okay, so assigning it after I'm done with this loop. Yeah. Okay. What to do? What to do? How to do? That's why we need data structures and algorithm. Dum 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 dum. Stopping. Come on. Don't stop. Come on. Yeah. Algorithm. Data structure. Actually, I don't want to loop this first. Okay. I don't. I'll not be looping that. I'll be looping d in data. We're looping this. Yeah. After looping this, I want to loop this. I want to loop this matrix. Now, while I'm looping, seat in the range of 0 to length of that row. What I want is row of S to be data of C. What is C? Currently C is 0, which means all the males should be filled. Okay, I just want this now. I think this will give me some output. Oh my god! Not able to understand why I'm getting this. Oh my god, this is so brain fucking. So irritating. Am I doing this thing? Am I doing this wrong? Just print it, bro. Just try to print it. Come on. Okay. Oh my god, what to do? 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 I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What to do? What to do? What to do? What to do? I don't know what to do. Do you know anything about what to do? No. You don't know about what to do. I don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Wanna do that thing. Wanna to do that thing. I don't wanna do that thing. You wanna do that thing. I don't wanna do. You wanna do. This is the clashes of. This is the clashes of our thoughts. But still, we wanna do what we wanna do what we wanna do what we wanna do what we wanna do. You don't wanna do it, I don't wanna do it, I don't wanna do, you wanna do it, do it, I don't wanna do it, you just wanna do it, why do you wanna do it, I don't wanna do it, do it, but still we both wanna do it. I don't wanna do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't wanna do it. I'm bored. That's why I'm a mad person, isn't it? Okay, let's continue with our work. Rather than rather than this, I can just create a single dimension array rather than this, and I can only loop this, and I can assign seats here rather than by working on multi-dimensional array, because it's a little confusing if I'm working on a multi-dimensional array in this case. This thing is not. This is simple that I'm. So what I'm talking about this is I'm talking about a single seat. So what I can do is I don't wanna do it. You don't wanna do it. How can I do it? Not able to understand how can I do it. There's so much of heat. It's so hot here now. We have a steel top. Ah, steel. Oh, okay. I think because of that fan is on. Just turn off the fan. I think I should not do coding that this far. This is the reason why I don't like to code. Okay. Let's. But we have to find a way, isn't it? If I was a software developer there, I have to find a solution. I cannot tell. This is why I don't like coding. I have to find a solution. They are paying for me. They're paying. Okay. But actually, are they? No. They're not paying me. Why I should do this for free? It's okay. Mat of R and S. Data of I and C. This is okay. This is correct for filling these things. But how many times I have to fill this? सुन मेरे हम सफर ra 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 ra. Either I need this as a single dimensional array, either this. Cannot do this. Okay. Algorithm is a little complex. Not little. It's a lot of. It's a lot harder than I thought. It's much harder than I expected. expected. Okay. Tomorrow I have another interview in the same company. I just have to give the VNA round. I just have to clear the VNA round. Let's see what happens. I've done a lot of practice about my vocabulary. The only problem I had is I used to think a lot. I used to use fillers a lot. What are fillers? But fillers, I think fillers are e o a o a e o a. What is